Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. There is recruitment from Freshworks organization for the software engineer position. Okay, new graduates they require. Okay, they have already mentioned here new graduates require. Job location is Chennai. This is full-time position and entry level means fresh graduate candidates they require. Okay, for software engineer position they have mentioned the company information about Freshworks. Okay, if you are interested then read then overview again. If you are interested then read it. Then we will directly see job description, what we look for in candidates. Okay, what is their requirement: the solid problem solving and analytical thinking skills, experience with hands on programming in any language. Okay, strong foundation in data structures, algorithms, oops concept, ability to multitask and manage your task effectively, learning mindset and the right attitude to thrive and adapt in a fast paced environment. Okay, then prior internship experience, if you are having any internship experience then that is a plus point in B2B product companies. Okay, is an added bonus. They have mentioned that it will be a plus point if you have done any internship. If you have built any web or mobile app during your time in college, that will certainly give you an edge. Suppose if you have developed any mobile application or web application, then mm, your chances are good to select in Freshworks company. Eligibility: this is for final year students currently in college and will graduate by June 2021. Okay, this recruitment is for 2021 as well as 2020 and 2022 candidates, I will tell you. Okay, ready to join as full-time employees upon graduation. Okay, once you graduated from your college, then they will give you directly full-time position. Okay, then if you graduated in 2020 or earlier, we will have few openings where we are hiring freshers. They have mentioned here. If you are graduated in 2020 or earlier, we have few openings where we are hiring freshers. We will reach out to you based on the openings we have. If you are not yet in final year, graduating in 2020 or later, we will archive your profile for now, and you can apply when you are in final year. Okay, so dear batch 2020, then 21 and 2022, all three these batches can apply. This batch 2020, then 2022 and then 2021 batch, please apply. Okay, then they have mentioned additional notes here. Due to COVID situation, we have completely remote since March 2020. Remotely means the company employees are working from home only, that is remotely we say. Okay, so if you want to apply, click on this button. I clicked just. Then submit your application. You can import your resume from here. Then enter your first name, last name, then mail ID, then mobile number, your gender, date of birth, year of graduation, college, degree of study. Then see here, BE BTech, BBA BCom candidates, BA BSc candidates. If you have any other degree, then choose others. Then department select accordingly as per your appropriately. City, then if you are having LinkedIn profile, then give your LinkedIn profile link here. College aggregate score: if you follow CGPA, convert into percentage. If CGPA is 7.5 out of 10, then please enter 75 here. Okay, they have given here. If you are having 7.5 CGPA out of 10, then enter 75 here. Social networks and web link. Okay, web link is like, suppose if you have developed any your website, suppose programming language website where you posted any short code. Okay, any programming you have done. For example, GitHub is the platform where you post your coding or code programs there that are developed by you only. Okay, so that link you can paste here. Tell us why do you want to join Freshworks, then tell us why did you pick the job role you picked, why did you pick the job role you picked. Okay, give the answer here, then click on I am not a robot here, then and then submit this application. Okay, this is for fresher candidate. Okay, so BTech, ME, MTech, BA, BCom, BSc, all candidates, because they have given here, just a minute, where here you can see computer science, information technology, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, mechatronics, then chemical, biotechnology, all candidates are eligible. Okay, then degree BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BBA, BCom, Arts, Science, BA, BSc, these candidates also eligible. So this is mainly fresher position, so please apply for this position before this link expires. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.